In this video, I will show you how I complete $20 order on Fiverr and how I delivered the order on Fiverr. Let's go to my computer screen and let me show you my chatting with my client. He asked me to talk with me. Then he said that he asked me a question that I need to I need Shopify. I said no, you don't need Shopify. And then he when I make a sale, I copy paste tracking. So and the issue was that the tracking was not accepting by TikTok shop. And I say that we need to change the setting, like we need to change shipping setting first to accept the order. And he says that how much it will cost me. And and then he shared the deal with me. And he asked that I will need your service. So he sent me OTP and all the stuff. And when I check his shop, the seller shipping was already set. So I says that it is already fixed. So after that, and this is usually conversation. So he gave me tracking. Then he asked me to how much it will cost to add 10 items. I said it will cost you $10. And he asked me for 25. Then I asked that it will cost you $20. And I at this time I have already logged in his shop and I see the listing and it was not optimized. And he said I need to delete. I said no, you don't need to delete that. I say that I will optimize that as well. And after that, I send him offer to like I will add 10 items on your product and optimize the listing. He accept that and all the our order started. So then I let this listing was not optimized, and I will show you how to optimize the listing. I will refresh that page. It was 50 products on his shop, and I need to change to this, from this to this. So I will show you how to do that and how I complete this order. I click on poor, and it asks me that it some products have a duplicate. I click on apply setting, and then I click submit. You can see that duplicate removed. I click on edit. It asks me to add some more changes in the listing. So right now I am optimizing the products. So this is I will not show you all the process, but I will give you just an idea how to do that. I have submitted, and then I will open second listing. So this is how to do that. I will click on apply, and whatever issue is there, you can fix that by doing the same process. And there will be a suggestion as well how to do that. I will click on edit. I will remove the other tabs, and I will click on update. It will show me the place where is things are required. I will click on update. So I have done some of them, so we need to repeatedly do the same thing. So I am going to refresh that and see the result. So here you can see that all the images are products are already optimized. So we need to repeat this process and do this for all. So to make this video short, I will do some of them. And second task was that to find good products on the TikTok shop. So I will go to my Amazon, and this is such query I have done. So I am doing drop shipping on TikTok shop. It's my client shop. He wants to do drop shipping and all the blah blah blah. You can see that, and give me keywords so I can search on Amazon. And he also says that the product source is Amazon. Product source will be Amazon. So here some of them problem solving keywords for a TikTok. And for finding products, we need to see that the product is non-branded and it has at least 2 to 3 thousand sales in the last month on Amazon. And pricing is also cheap, so we can make profit from that as well. So I start from TikTok. Then ChatGPT give me some keywords to find on Amazon. So TikTok asked me So this is the some keywords for that viral TikTok products. So I will copy that and search on Amazon. So I will find some of the products. So we can't list these medical related products on that. So I think that I have not. So let's say that we can. This is pretty good products, but that is 29 $30 price. So that is not in our range. So I will try other stuff. And I need to go to second page. So I will try second keyword. TikTok made me buy it. I will copy that and paste on Amazon. So this product is pretty good. I will copy, open link in new tab, and this is also good. This can be a good product for our TikTok shop. And I will copy the link of that and paste it here. And second product, we can, this is also good product, auto face tracking tripod. I will copy that. I'm just showing you the procedure because I have already find it products for TikTok. So I am doing just how I did that for the shop. So trending products, I will paste it here, copy and paste it here. So this is this can be a good, the price is $6, then that is good price. We can see that, and that is also good, and that is good product as well. I will open, I have this product as well in my sheet, actual sheet. So I'm going to show you actual sheet what I have find for that as well. So I will, here you can see that this is actual sheet that I have already find for my client. So this is one products, and I have find 11 products for him. So these are some number of sales, and this is Amazon price, and this is the link. So this is how I have added I have funded products. So now I am going to list that on TikTok. I will copy that and paste it on, I paste it here, and then I will change the zip code to see the price of the product, and this is $25. I will save the image. So this will be how. So now I have downloaded all the products. I will copy the title of that, and then I will come to products, manage products, and these are the products that I have optimized recently for that. So I have optimized these products already. So I will hit add products. I will select the products from my laptop. I will paste title here, and brand, no brand, material, there is no, we can warranty type, and here we can add description. I am making this thing short because I don't want to make long videos, but you can spend some time on that and do the listing properly. Like you can also add image here, you can add videos, and I will, the price is $25 and I will make it $36. Stock 100, retail price is the retail price, we can put it 32, and list price is 36. SKU, I will copy SKU from here. So the SKU is very important to find from Amazon. You can also, if you are not able to find this SKU from there, you can scroll down, because it helps me to find what product is was that from Amazon, so we can place it on. Here is ASIN number, you can copy that and paste it here. This is the same, so you can select no, no, none, and size is automatically, it detect size automatically. So I will hit submit, and product has been submitted. And I will do this for all my products, and I will show you when I deliver the order on Fiverr, and let's see what is feedback from my client. Now I have delivered the order. Here you can see that, and the client has accepted the delivery. Now I am going to refresh that page, and you will see that I have make how much I make from that. Here you can see that it is showing complete and total price $20, and I make like 16 from that, because Fiverr charge uh, 20%. So here is how I delivered the order and complete the order. If you like that video, then like it and subscribe my channel, and if you want videos like that, then let me know, I will make more videos. Thank you so much.